Guys, in this video we are going to be installing the cheapest tonneau cover you could find on Amazon. I mean, this thing is so cheap they could not even spell check their ad. So let's go ahead and get this box open, see what's inside, and get it installed onto this truck. All right, so step one, it says to go ahead and put this weather stripping across the bulkhead here. It says clean it real good, so all right, clean enough, you know what we say. Start getting some of this adhesive shown on one side and get it touching, and then keep it pretty straight. I want to keep it as straight as possible. And then the overhang, we ain't gonna keep the overhang, we're gonna trim it down right here. So let's take our handy dandy scissors and just cut it right to where it's gonna fit. Perfect. All right, next step, and I'm pretty bad at reading instructions, but it says take this cover and put it on the bulkhead. So let's pick this guy up and imagine the foam side where it's gonna roll. We'll just keep it on, but we put that down right there on the bulkhead. It's pretty close. And then we gotta go back to reading instructions. Fun stuff. I imagine this is where it's gonna latch at the end, so this needs to come to the right hand side and come all the way over here. So through the instructions, I believe this guy is gonna slide in this little clip here. I'm sure everybody else on YouTube would make this look a lot easier. Ooh. Oh, hold on, she went in that time. I feel like it needs to go in further so they can kiss each other. Okay, I think that's in. And they actually give you an Allen key, I seen here, and like some accident pieces in case you drop something. Sure hope so. It'd be this hard, but hopefully y'all can see real well. Y'all are probably looking down too much. This guy need to be tightened. Oh, that one's tight. All right, let's do the same on this guy over here real quick. So as you can see, this little groove just kind of lines up in here. As long as this pins out. Pretty simple design. It fits as far in as we can make it go, to the best of my knowledge. So pretty simple. Now let's one screw, we can just tighten down and get this side tight, and then we'll start clamping everything down and get it put on there. And this thing was like 130 bucks, so far the build quality ain't that terrible. Everything just feels like it's cross-threaded already. All right, so this is nice and tight to it. From what I can tell, we're pushed back on the bulkhead. Now, I'm just gonna try to get this as lined up as possible for a good fit. Aluminum shavings it came with, that's pretty neat. Then it's supposed to be real easy clamps here. I think I'm to this point. We're gonna try it out. Sorta tight by hand. Instructions again. Dang, it says a clamp all the way at the end pressed up against this guy. Guess I'll loosen this guy up. Slide it down. There's one right here, huh? I imagine it don't stick in, but actually, I mean, that almost fits the groove so perfectly. Like, it seems like that would be the case, huh? Give me a second, I'm gonna look into it. I think it goes into this, so I did this one wrong anyways. Oh, and I'm bending it, you can tell. Oh yeah, my bad, fellas. Grab my hammer, beat that thing off real quick. You know what I'm saying? You know what she's saying. Beat that off. it ain't dented too bad. So it does fit into this groove here. Then you can start tightening down. So my mistake on the first one. How's it going, my friend?
Yeah, how are you?
Doing good.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
You built a wreck?
Yeah, well, it's this little tunnel cover. It's just gonna cover the bed of it. Yeah. Wouldn't have fucked up, you know. This one up to the edge. Probably needed to check alignment first before tightening these guys all the way, but it is what it is. All right, guys, that is every clamp. Let's throw our hammer back. And a lot of y'all may ask, why'd you go with the soft tunnel cover? You know, that ain't gonna be good for security and protection on that. And, well, I'm only really trying to protect everything from weather. Oh, this one looks like it's a little bit further back. Dang, I didn't line it up as good as I should have. I think I'm gonna have to remove the whole damn thing or undo these clamps. All right, so this time it is almost lined up square with the bulkhead. Damn near on both sides. Now, I'm just tighten down this middle guy on both sides. Just halfway tight, make sure it can actually pull and close it. And then we're gonna unfold it again and see how it lines up. Unravel it. Those aren't perfectly square with each other, but that is what it is. Tailgate fits pretty good. See, there looks about even. There's about to look even enough. And check this line right on the end. Almost right on the end. Kind of feel like we can come back to this. Got a little bit, just like that. I wish this was like more tucked in, a little bit more square with the whole thing, but it don't look too bad. Maybe back a little bit. Cool, I think that's it. This opens. Let's shut it again. I think that's all we needed out of it. Dang, that thing is gonna make some noise in the wind, dude, I'll tell you what. Pops. All right, let's tighten down every clamp again, and we're calling it good, guys. Tighten, tighten, tighten. All right, they're all nice and tight. Let's go ahead and unravel this thing one more time and close her off. Act like we were never here. Oh, I tell you, that's tight. Oh yeah, can't wait for some of the noise. Just got different tires on the truck to lessen the noise. Let's throw this guy on there. Fits good. If you're interested in getting this, again, their spelling's pretty bad, but so is mine half the time. So ain't bad. It's a little not square from each thing, but it's closing. I'll say it's closing easy. And I guess it needs to be a tight fit. Love it. Probably ain't gonna put a link down in the description, as all y'all need to know is just look up cheap ass tonneau cover for your pickup truck that you have, and you're probably gonna find that one. Thanks for watching.